Which class we are going to see today? Sensory. Sensory. We will see the fruit and tell the name, and we will close our eyes and we will touch the fruit and say what it is. Did you like this game? Yes. We will close it. I will close your eyes. You will touch the fruit and say what fruit is this? What fruit is this and what fruit is this? Okay, I will shuffle the fruits and we will see the activity. And then what we have to do? We will smell the fruit and tell them what fruit is that. We will smell like this. Like the smell the fruit and tell what fruit is this. And then same again, we will close the eyes and smell the fruit and say that what fruit is this. And we will know the shape and texture of it. We will going to learn the shape and texture. What is the shape? Apple is round shape. We will learn the shape. We will close our eyes and know the texture and shape of the fruit. Okay. Then we will taste the fruit and say what fruit is that. Okay. Okay. We will see the activity. Yeah. We will see the activity. Come careful. What fruit is this? Have the fruit. Have the fruit in your. Okay. What fruit is this? Pomegranate. Is it here? What fruit is this? Apple. Is it here? What fruit is this? Mango. Is it? Mango. What color mango is? Yellow. What shape mango is? Oval shape. You will trace the shape like this. Trace the shape. Oh, it is an oval shape. Okay. What apple is? Take the fruit and see the shape. Take the fruit. What shape is this? Circle. Super. It is a round shape. Circle. Okay. What color is this? Red. Like tomato red. Okay. Tomato. Pomegranate is a tomato. What shape is this? Pomegranate is red. Tomato red. It is a what shape is this? Circle. Okay. Circle. Okay. Yes. So yes. Now this form in your hand. So touch and feel. Touch and feel. What shape is this? Pomegranate. What shape is this? What shape is this? Round shape. Circle. Okay. What color is this? Red one. Red one. Okay. Tomato red. Okay. What fruit is this? Apple. Have it in your hand. Apple. What shape is this? Circle. What color is this? Red. Facing shell. Take this fruit. What shape is this? Mango. Mango. Mango shape. What color is this? Yellow. What shape is this? Oval shape. Okay. Super. Take this fruit. What fruit is this? Pomegranate. What color? Red. What shape? Shape. What shape? Sample. Super. Take this fruit. Take this fruit. What fruit is this? Apple. What color? Red color. What shape? What? Circle. Circle. Apple is circle. Round shape. Okay. Take it. Take this fruit. What fruit is that? Mango. What color is this? Yellow color. What shape? Feel the shape. Trace it. Feel the shape. Trace it. You see the fruit and feel. Trace it. What shape is this? What shape is this? Very good. That. Red color. What shape? Sacrifice. See the fruit and tell. Okay, wow. What color is this? What is the fruit name? Okay. What is the shape? Circle. Here. Have this fruit. What fruit is this? Mango. What color mango? Yellow. What shape is this? Very good. See here. What color is this? Red color. Super. What shape? What shape? Circle. Super. Have three things. Which one you want? What fruit? Fruit means fruit name. Apple. Super. What color? Red color. Super. What shape? What color? Stick. I won't empty. What is the fruit name? What is the fruit name? Oh, this is pomegranate. What color is this? See the color? See the color? What color? Red. Color. Red. What the shape? Touch. Shape and circle. Very good. Okay. Take this one. What's the name? Very good. What color is this? See the color? Color. What is the color? Color red. What's the shape? Feel like this. Shape. And then how to feel? Circle. Circle. Okay. Take this one. What is the name? Mango.
Good. What color is this? See the color? What color? What is the color?
Mango.
Yellow color. What is the shape? Feel பண்ணுங்க என்ன shape ல இருக்கு mango? Oval. Color yellow. Shape? Oh, very good. Okay, what shape?
Circle.
Circle. What is the color?
Red.
Very good. Next. What's the fruit name?
Apple.
Color? Red. What's the shape?
Circle.
How to feel the shape? Like ah, very good.
Mango.
What is the color?
Yellow.
What's the shape?
Oval.
Very good. What is the fruit? Okay, what the fruit is this? What is the shape? Shape, sorry, just in the pink one, the night one, color. Green one, okay, very good. Okay. What is the fruit name?
Apple.
Very good. What's the color?
Red color.
What is the shape? Next. What is the fruit name? What's the color? What is the shape? Okay, very good. Super. What is the color? Very good. What is the shape of fruit? In the shape of next one. What is the shape? Very good. Super. Take the fruit. What's the fruit name? Apple. What's the color? Very good. What is the shape? Very good. Super. Take this one. What is the fruit name? Mango. What is the color? Yellow. What is the shape? Very good. Fruit name. Fruit name. The fruit. What is the fruit name? Very good. What color? In the color. What color? Very good. What is the shape? Shape. What is the shape? Circle. Very good. Take this fruit. What is the fruit name? Uncle, what is the fruit color? Fruit color. What is the color? Red color. What is the shape? Shape. Circle. Take this one. What is the fruit name? What is the fruit? Mango. Do you like this? This one. Any color? What is the fruit color? This one. The color. What is the color? Yellow. What is the shape? Oval. Everything oval. Okay. Very good.
Mango. Yellow color.
Very good. Very good. Red color. Red shape பாருங்க. எப்படி இந்த shape எப்படி இருக்கு பாருங்க. Shape பாருங்க. Circle. அர்த்தமா சொல்லுங்க. Take this fruit. What is the fruit name? What is the fruit? What fruit is this? என்ன fruit இது? Apple. Apple. என்ன கலர் பாருங்க அவங்க பார்த்து சொல்லுங்க என்ன கலர்? Red color. என்ன shape பாருங்க shape எப்படி feel பண்ணுங்க? Circle. என்ன fruit? What is the fruit name? Mango. What color இருக்கு பாருங்க கலர் என்னவா இருக்கு? என்ன கலர்? What's the color? Yellow. Okay, what is the shape? பாருங்க shape பாருங்க எப்படி இருக்கு? Shape எப்படி இருக்கு? Oval. Very good.